Look at this dandelion. Nobody planted it here. No one waters it. The concrete tries to choke it, yet it grows. Not only does it survive, it turns its struggle into gold. Its seeds become wishes carried by the wind. What if we could live like this? We've all been planted in hard places. Maybe you're there now, stuck in a job you hate, feeling unseen or buried under stress. But the dandelion doesn't curse the concrete. It uses it. How? Dandelions send roots 10 feet deep to find nourishment. For us, that means digging for wisdom, books, mentors, or faith, when the surface seems barren. Spend 30 minutes a day learning something that strengthens your mind. The dandelion doesn't just survive. It creates new life from its struggle. Its bitter leaves cleanse the liver, its seeds carry dreams. What's your bitter skill or lesson that could heal others? A woman who beat depression starts a support group. A laid-off worker teaches budgeting online. What pain have I overcome that could lighten someone else's load? The dandelion doesn't cling to its seeds, it trusts the wind. Are you holding too tight to control, approval, or the perfect plan? A man quits his toxic job to freelance and thrives. List 3 things you're clinging to. How could letting go set you free? You weren't planted where you are by accident. Grow where you're planted. Dig deep. Turn your bitterness into medicine. Let go, and let life carry you further than you dreamed. Be like the dandelion. Which wildflower lesson do you need today? Comment below. Don't forget to share this with someone who needs to bloom where they're planted.